how to manage who can see your last scene on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can see your last scene on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp, and here you will find this these 3 points on top. Click on it, and then just click settings, and here you will find account. Click on it, and then click privacy, and here you will find last scene. Select it, and then just as you see here, you can manage last scene. Who can see your last scene? You can make it for everyone or my contacts. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.